Vicky here with you, and we're here to demonstrate how easy it is to use the Eggmazing. So it comes from this box. You saw me do the unboxing, and if you didn't, check the videos that I put out this week. In the description box below, there's also going to be the link to Amazon, so you can actually find it on Amazon. I mentioned that last time, but then I got some comments that people were having trouble finding them. So I don't understand, because if you check the link, you should be able to find them. And so let's start this thing up. So I guess that's all you have to do. Okay, so which way will it be better for me to do this? Okay, so which colors? I love purple, so let's start with purple. So I guess you just... Oh my god, this is so fun. This is so easy, guys. Oh wow. Oh wow. I feel like a kid. This is too cool. Oh, so cool. I'm gonna do the end here as well. Let's add some a bit of blue. This is incredibly fun, guys. I would have loved to have that thing when I was a kid. Oh my god. Now, I don't know if it's dry. Yep. Check out that gorgeous egg. Isn't that fun? Oh my god. Like, this is so much fun. So much fun, guys. Oh man. Okay, let's do another one. This time we'll use some red, and let's do a wider stripe. Okay, I don't want to do green right away because it's going to look like a Christmas egg. This would make some fun decoration for a tree as well. They have, I saw on their website that they have some to make ornaments for Christmas time. Now maybe we can go and do the green. Oh my god, guys, this is just so much fun, and you can see like it's really mess free. Oh, check those out. Oh my god, I'm in love. This is I've got 2 more. Oh guys, I'm gonna have to find a way to buy myself more of the wood eggs. I wonder if this is really fun. And just add a bit of these. I love these. Oh wow. Okay, I've got 1 more and then that's it. Oh, I'm gonna have to find more eggs. I'm gonna have to find more eggs. But this, like I said, you could put it really doesn't, it's really light, so I'm pretty sure that if you put an empty shell, if you let it dry properly, you could actually do the same thing with the empty shell. So long as you don't press super hard, which I haven't. Let's do something funky. Of course, you can see I'm getting my pen dirty, but I don't care. Oh, this is so fun. Well, guys, I mean, this is incredibly fun. We all need activities these days to keep us occupied, so this is a great one, and it will make awesome decor. And what I was mentioning last time is I have one of these candles. So what I was thinking of doing is putting those eggs like so as the decoration for my Easter table. Isn't that fun? So I hope, and these would be great to hide as well. Yeah, so seriously, like, if you don't have one of those little gizmo, you need one, because it's really addictive. So love it, love it, love it, love it. And thank you so much, Eggmazing, for wanting to share the product. I made all kinds of gunk on this. For wanting to share the product with me and letting me try this. I just love it. And I will be making more eggs for my Easter decorations. So that's it for me. Bye, everyone.